Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Rihanna's music director Adam Blackstone teased that it's going to be unlike anything you have ever seen before. Speaking to Rolling Stone, he said, "It's been cool. We are spearheaded by the team at Rock Nation. Willow, incredible choreographer and creative director Paris Goebel, and my partner on this is Omar Edwards as the co-musical director. So it's been really cool, man. The things about Rihanna is that she's so creative. She is boundary pushing at all times. So it's going to be unlike anything you have ever seen before. And we always try to push the envelope with her," he added. Rihanna, who marked her musical comeback with the Black Panther Wakanda Forever soundtrack, Lift Me Up, will return to the stage after a long break with Super Bowl show. Adam said Rihanna's performance will be her first time coming back as Rihanna, the artist. She knows that her career has expanded different sonic palettes, from EDM to pop to hip hop to ballads. So we want to try to give a little bit to everybody, he added. Rihanna also reminded her fans of her appearance during the last weekend of NFL regular season, 5 weeks from today. Read the post shared by the NFL. Thanks for listening and please don't forget to subscribe my channel.